Isn't it nice? Oh, I love that smell. Smell of the pines.
Oh, it smells so fresh.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Wow, look at that view. I love how it just splits open like that perfectly for
Isn't it gorgeous?
you guys. Yeah. Ah, how cozy.
Rylie got this mug for me right when we first started dating. Like right when we first started dating.
That was the first gift I got you.
And it's amazing.
Ever.
I immediately took it up to the cabin. It says, Jack, the man, the myth, the legend.
I feel like you're gonna say that when you're an old man. Man kids.
Yeah.
Yes, people used to call me the man, the myth, and the legend. I am going on my first solo. Let me re-emphasize that. My first solo bike ride, scooter ride out in the open.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be funny. This is where you get to test your skills.
Does it crank pretty quickly?
No, not at all. All right, go for it. Taking it slow, I like that. Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm just kind of scared.
It's okay. You got it. Speed is your friend. Rylie, the slower you go, the harder it is to control.
I'm just scared, like when I push the brake on this side, it makes me touch the gas too.
Okay. Do you not feel comfortable? If you don't feel comfortable, you should not take it.
Scary.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Good job.
Thanks. Going on?
Sure.
I'm on.
Oh no. That ain't happening.
Wait, why?
You're not driving me home. You can't handle that. There's no way.
Let's just chill.
No. That's where I draw the line.
Well, peace out.
Oh, no. Get back here. Get back here.
You get on now.
Okay. All right, we made it.
Hi.
Yeah, did you have fun?
Good job. Bye.
Okay, here we are, our first walk together. Cheers. We have coffee
It's not real coffee.
at the cabin. She had to throw that in there. It's not real coffee.
It kind of tastes like watered down hot chocolate.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Okay. Don't you just love that sound?
I just don't even know what to say. Don't even know what to say. I have no words. Oh my gosh, Jack, imagine over the summer just laying right there
Oh, incredible.
on a towel. So cool.
Good morning, guys. Oh my goodness. It's a whole other scene out here today. But anyways, we got another first for old Rylie here. And it's a little insane. We're taking the canoe out on the lake in the snow.
I feel like I just keep saying over and over on these vlogs, I'm nervous. But hey, I have to keep it real. I'm nervous.
Now, Rylie, the thing I did not tell you is we have to walk through a wetland to get there.
Are you kidding me?
No. Okay, it's fine. Ooh, it's a little deep. I gotta find a better route here. I'll try to go this way. See how deep it gets. So far, so good. And here's the canoe. So, whoa! Uh-oh. Oh! I'm okay. I went in.
Oh, look at the beaver!
Do you see the beaver?
Yeah, he's right there!
Oh my gosh!
Ah, he's so cute!
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's cold. That is so cold.
He's coming towards you.
Oh my gosh, the beaver. Let's see if we can get a shot
He's
of him.
coming right towards you. It's so cute.
There he is. Look at him. Oh my gosh, he is. Wow.
Is he trying to protect his area? Oh, look how cute he is.
Oh.
I gotta get out of here.
I think he's going into his dam.
Yeah, beavers are very protective over their dams.
Yeah,
I listened to an entire podcast on beavers.
that was so cool though.
Whoa.
You still down for a ride?
We've gone this far. Now I have to.
Yeah.
The things you do for love.
Yeah, for real.
I wonder if that's why they call it Angry Beaver.
I think it is. Oh my gosh, I'm afraid that he's just gonna pop up.
The cool thing is it's an entire family that lives in there.
Yeah, that is cool.
They're very cute.
Yeah, they are. I lost a glove. We gotta go back and get it.
Jack!
No, the glove.
No!
Let's go back.
There's always something.
We stopped to take some photos. Cut to the photos. Lost my glove in the process. Rylie, I think you're gonna have to snag it. I'm not putting it back on, obviously.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yep,
All right.
got it.
Did your hands get wet?
A little bit.
Okay, good. Well, we'll head back to shore. I think this has been an adventure enough.
I'm so glad we did this.
Me too. All right, it is that time.
I hope you guys are ready to watch me chop some wood because I'm a good wood chopper.
You don't even know. You've never done it. Yeah, you're as good. We'll see. Hopefully you're a better wood chopper than you are moped driver.
Let's just hope that I don't chop off my arm.
Yeah, for real. You want to split some more, or what do you think?
I want to see you split them.
All right, you want to see me do one?
Yeah. Whoa! Woo!
That's how it's done, folks. All right, let's gather up the wood. Riley's got a full load. Let's add it to the stack. See, this is the satisfying part of chopping wood. You get to add it to your stack and just know that you're gonna be warm now.
And there's no better feeling than being in a warm cabin, fueled by a fire.
Absolutely. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for the video. Look at that view, so incredible. Man, it was just such a great trip. So glad that Rylie got to join and experience the family cabin. Adventures are just getting started.